Hey guys, good evening everyone. So this is Mommy A. So it's coming from Mommy A Kitchen. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, depends on where you're watching from. God bless you. So today I want to take you guys along too. I'm gonna make vegetable. I'm making carrot and broccoli in the oven. And in here is grounded beef. I bought them, so I've not removed the nylon yet. So it's grounded and chicken breast grounded with spices. So, and of course our lemon. So I've got one full lemon, I just cut into two. So we are going to be needing the juice of one lemon and a little salt, and we're going to be needing our salt too. So come with us as we start. So I'm just gonna take this and put it in the pan. So these are carrot first. So I'm gonna take the chicken too. Washed already, so you wash your broccoli and just feed them right in here. There. Actually, this is dinner. I'm trying to prepare dinner. I'll come back and show you guys the outcome of it. This is my first time doing this, because other time I normally use my frying pan to fry it out and all those stuff, but right now I want to make this in the oven to try to make healthy food, because I'm trying to eat healthy, and as well to lose my weight, because I'm watching. So guys, see you when the food is ready. So come on, let's put this in the oven, guys. Come on, come on, come on. Whoa. Okay, so put that in the oven and shut the oven and back to 180. So see you guys. Hey guys, so this is the outcome of our vegetable. So you can as well try it at home. You can put any other vegetable you want to, but as for me, I just use the broccoli and the carrots only. Thank you for watching Mommy A Kitchen. Thank you for following us. God bless you. Bye.